Now this isn't how I normally start my videos, but I've been troubleshooting this PC for the past couple days now, and I finally got it figured out. Welcome to PC Flip number 10. So yes, I did have a couple issues when it came to this build, but I got it all figured out now. So one of these parts was giving me an issue. Let me know in the comments of which part you think it was, and I'll let you know later on in the video. Now let's go over the parts list. For the motherboard, I went with the Asus Prime Z590P, the Wi-Fi version. I got this motherboard off Mercari. It was actually a CPU motherboard combo deal. It came with the i7-11700K. This CPU is an 8-core 16 threads with the base clock speeds of 3.80 gigahertz and a max boost of 5.10 gigahertz. Now I got this combo deal for $250, which is a really good deal considering the price of the CPU alone. Now for the RAM sticks, I went with the Team Group T Classic 2x8 gigabyte stick, a total of 16 gigabytes, clocked at 3200 megahertz. I got it in this really nice silver color to match the silver on the motherboard. And for the storage, I went with a Crucial P3 500 gigabyte NVMe M.2 drive. Now I picked up 3 of these because I got them for a really good deal off of Amazon. I only paid $32. The only issue is 1 out of the 3 did fail on me, but luckily Amazon has a really good return policy, so I got a replacement right away. Now for the cooler, this is actually becoming one of my favorites. It's the ID Coolant SE. I actually got this used for $20 off of Amazon. So now that we went over the main parts, let's get started with the build. Now I try to keep my budget for the cases under $80, so I paid a little bit more for this case, but I definitely think it's worth it. The case is a Montech Air 1000. The price of the case came a little bit under $100. It has a really cool option where you can change the front glass panel for more of a mesh style front. You have 2 options to control the fan, either by the case or you can connect it directly to the motherboard. For the power supply, this is where I came into issues. Every time I connected the power supply to the case, it would make the lights flicker. Now, if anyone ran into this issue, please comment below and let me know if you had a fix for it. I'm actually in the process of still doing the return through the EVGA website, but luckily I keep a couple of them in stock just in case I run into issues like this. And of course, you know, I had to get some cable extensions. So I got these silver cable extensions, which have like a clear plastic over it, which actually matches perfect with what I'm trying to go for. Now, to save the best for last is the graphics card. I went with the RTX 3060 Ti. And I actually got this for a really good deal off Mercari. I only paid $250, which is a really good deal considering that it came in pretty much brand new condition. Now, if anybody's a Dragon Ball Z fan, I make these custom PC plates. Now, the theme that I was going for was his transformation, which is the Ultra Instinct, which ties into the PC really nice. But now that we went through the rest of the parts, let's finish off this build. Here's a breakdown of all the parts and the prices that I paid for. I'll have all the links to the parts in the description. If you enjoyed this video, I suggest watching this PC build. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.